Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows, and today we're going to be giving this patio a bit of a clean. Actually, let's make that a lot of a clean. And to clean it, we're going to be using this. I've got myself a new Draper pressure washer. This is the 03095 165 bar pressure washer. Now, this model comes in 3 colour combinations. I've gone for the green one. The difference is, okay, this is green, they do a blue one, they do a yellow one, and they just come with different accessories. Now this one comes with the lance, it comes with the patio cleaning head, it also comes with a turbo nozzle, built-in detergent bottle, and a fixed brush, and a 6-metre hose. I'll pick this up for £120. Let's not muck about, let's get it out of the box. Right, and there it is, all out of the box and all set up. So you have a 6-metre hose on this reel here, and we have a nice fold away handle. Okay, so you can use that as a crank, but you can also fold that out of the way. The hose clips into a few little tabs there, so it will stay nicely secured on there. And there is stowage for everything. So there's your lance. Okay, like that. That's currently got the variable attachment on the end. That goes in like so. There's a hook on the side there for your cable. There are places for all your different attachments. So that is the turbo nozzle, that can just live in there. There's the pin for cleaning out the nozzle. That's a nice little feature that stays pushed into there. There's a home there for the brush. A home there for the patio cleaning head. There is the water attachment there. Bit of a strange one this, it's got clear plastic. It seems a bit hard, so time will tell how sturdy that is, but you can just take that off and put a standard hose attachment on there if you want. There's like a filter in there that just screws onto there. And then it has a built-in soap detergent reservoir with a nice soft hose. Goes into there, so if you want to spray soap through your system, goes in there, and that attaches on. So on the lance you can rotate it around however you want, and then the attachment's on the end, just this push button, the attachment comes off and you put your other attachment on, and then the actual lance bit there, just push it tight, twist it, and out it pops. Pretty standard stuff. Then on the trigger there's a lock function there, and then the hose goes in there with the little green tab, releases the hose out. Okay, so there you can see the nice long 6-metre hose, and it actually uncoils quite well, better than my previous generations of hoses. It's quite thick, it's not like a Karcher, it's not quite as flexible as a Karcher, but certainly once it was in the sunshine like that, it uncoiled quite nicely, and it's a decent length. The power lead comes with a nice little clip on it, so you can stow your plug away nice and tightly like that, however it suits you. Okay then, let's try out this new Draper pressure washer and see if it can liven up this patio of mine. Right, so I'm going to try this patio head cleaner first. If this doesn't budge this dirt, I'll have to use the spray attachment. But anyway, let's give this a try. Okay, so that definitely works. Maybe, you know, I was having to do more scrubbing than I expected to have to do. Now I'm going to try with a spray attachment. This is much better for stubborn dirt. Definitely needs a jet attachment. I mean, look. Right, so in my quick 2 or 3 minutes of using this, I would say that this is good for a light clean. If your patio isn't particularly dirty, this will give it a bit of a liven up. But for mine, this algae has really taken hold. You really need the jet hose on it. Now, let me show you the difference it makes. So this is a slab here that hasn't been cleaned yet. And just look at the difference that's made. Now that's wet. Once that's dry and the sun shines on it, that will be bright and sparkling, and this will be brown and dull. So yeah, this is working a treat. So there you go, there's the Draper 165 bar pressure washer. What's not to like? It's done a cracking job on this patio. It's brought it right up to its vibrant best. What I would say is, not a massive fan of these patio cleaners. Perhaps if this wasn't so dirty, the patio that is, maybe this is better for sort of slightly dirty patios, but this was particularly dirty and we did need to use the jet function on it. So would I buy one of these as a sort of secondary accessory? Perhaps not. But the rest of the kit, yeah, very, very happy with it. So that's about it for now. So be sure to check out some of my other videos. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I shall see you again very soon. Bye bye.